Hello there, this is Sai, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, yes, in today's video, I'll be demonstrating you on how to add font family in CSS and how to use hyperlinks with font family. So let's get it. Okay, so what is font family and its usage? So the font family properties in CSS, it specifies a font for an element. So, for example, you have font family, which allows to generate any type of names or generic family names and can be used for many other elements such as texts, links, and all other categories in the web browser. Okay, so let's test out how font family works. So let's create a class and we'll call it font family or font, I should say. Then click on style, and always when you add a class, you always put a dot, then add with curly braces. And then you specify using the font family properties, and then all the generic names pop out in the search bar. So let's use any name. For example, let's say San Sheriff. Okay, since it's not displaying, let's add some texts, paragraph text. So like these type of text. So lorium text. Okay, that's enough. And then let's specify div element. So div class. We'll say font family. And then always close your divs, making sure. And then I'll style out the document or format to look clean and organizing. Okay, so let's try to close the div. Let's check. Okay, cool. Just had to refresh, but it's just some random error came. But okay, so let's style the div class to font family. So copy and paste. Always use the dot when you're styling because it's a class, and then we use font family. Let's use the first bit. Then if I refresh, or actually, you know what? Let's give it a font 100 pixels, or maybe color red, font size 24. Okay, somehow I'm trying to refresh, it doesn't display. I forgot to link. The problem is I have to link the CSS. Bruh. Refresh. There we go. Now it's clear, and all the font size now just being displayed, as you can see here. So I set to font family, and then use sans serif, and change the color and the font size to 24 pixels. And yeah, this is how you set the font family. I'm going to wrap up this video today. Make sure to hit a like. If you're new, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. I'll be uploading one this weekend. This is a quick short video for you guys. And yeah, I'll upload more soon. Sooner than as usual to become consistent. This is your voice of SNSI. I'm out. Peace.